Hello, it's Miss Heather. Today I'm going to read you Ocean Life. Splash! Our big blue oceans are full of life. Dive in and take a look. Whales are the giants of the ocean. A blue whale can grow to be as long as 2 school buses. 2 school buses, that's long. Whistle, squawk, click. Dolphins are smart and playful. They communicate with one another by making sounds. Sharks have lots of sharp teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one quickly grows in. Have you ever held a seashell? They come in lots of shapes, colors, and sizes. You can find them on the beach. I found some seashells on the beach. There's another one. And then I found this teeny tiny one. There they are. What's that? It's a seahorse. It can quickly change colors to blend in with the background, helping it hide from enemies. It was green, and then it turned to yellow and pink. Pinch! Crabs and lobsters have hard shells on the outside of their bodies. Pinch! Sea turtles have flippers to help them swim. They live mostly in water but lay their eggs in the sand on the beach. Here are the eggs, and the baby turtles are hatching. And there they go. They're going to crawl to the water. Fish have a tail and fins to help them swim. Most fish are covered with scales which protect their body and help them move. Look at all these colorful fish. Which one do you like? I like this one. He's called a clownfish. Jellyfish have long tentacles. Ouch! Which they use to capture food and sting their enemies. What is your favorite animal in the ocean? Can you pick one? Mine is the sea turtle. Do you see the sea turtle? I hope you enjoyed our story, Ocean Life. I miss you. I'll see you next week with another story. Bye-bye.